it today? Hey, Cayden.
Hey.
Today is Friday. I'm headed out the door to go do some shopping. The kids are gonna come help me do some shopping. And then tonight is Daddy's softball game. But you know what? Let me just say something. First off, I want to give a shout out to Justin O'Hella. He's a new subscriber. He's already went and bought a Hope for Elijah t-shirt, and we are super thankful that these people that barely even know us want to come support us, and we really appreciate it. So shout out to Justin. Thank you so much. It just amazes me the kind hearts of people that will support us knowing Elijah's situation. Also, I put on some clothes today. They were so loose fitting, and then I looked at myself in the mirror and I was like, oh my gosh, I actually like looking at my reflection, and I've not been very good at looking at my reflection, at least my body part. And I just sat there and I'm wearing these clothes that I never wear, and I fit into them, and it just made my day. Listen, yes, this weight loss is all about being healthy, but everybody knows that when you start to fit in clothes and you're losing weight and you look at yourself in the mirror, you actually love actually like looking at yourself in the mirror. It's so amazing. So I'm very happy. I do not regret my decisions, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day today. All right, we'll see you later. Bye. So we are at Panda Express. Elijah's happy with his chow mein and orange chicken, and same with Cayden. Hey, stop playing and eat. Chicken chow mein. And then I got honey shrimp, and I took one bite and I couldn't handle it, so I'm gonna save it for right now. I guess my tummy's not too hungry today. So, and then I got a side of teriyaki sauce and then 2 cookies for the kids. So I don't usually eat at Panda Express, but yeah, I usually don't eat at Panda Express. No, we don't. It's usually too greasy, but Elijah wanted some Chinese noodles, or what they call it. So Panda Express is the cheapest and fastest way to get some. So they're having chow mein and orange chicken, and I'm just sitting here texting back and forth with my sis. Anyway, we're gonna be headed to Walmart, then Safeway to get some stuff, and we may go back up to Pinecrest Lake tomorrow. Who knows? I'm probably gonna need to go shopping for a picnic up at Pinecrest, or a barbecue or something. So anyway, that's what we're doing right now. Inside Out.
I like Disgust. She's my most favorite.
You like Disgust? I like Fear. He's funny. No, and Sadness too. She's cute. Sadness.
I want to line them all up. I want to line them all up.
But there's no Happy. I don't see a Happy around here.
Joy?
Joy, yeah, I don't see Joy. No, she's not around. It's all the other characters.
Wow, that's what my my white teeth looks like. I never knew there was black on it.
You're funny. Okay. Mama needs some sandals. You're funny.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to start charging, I swear.
Oh my
Make them work for
Hi, cutie.
I have like 3,000 pictures I want to.
How old is he?
Called Truffles.
She said a year in April he turned.
Small. He's small. Half conure?
He's a conure.
He's a conure.
Actually, he's a half breed. He's half bird, half social butterfly.
That's awesome. I had a conure. It's straight black and green. And look at, oh my gosh.
My medicine.
You like holding the bird?
So
What's her name?
Truffles.
Oh, what a perfect name.
That's
Hi,
what the pet store named
Truffles.
him.
Isn't he sweet? You like holding the bird?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a good picture here.
There you go. Hold on, let me get my phone out. No.
When he poops, he walks backwards, sticks his butt up in the air.
His little tail goes up.
That's cute. Here, let me get a picture real quick, Cayden. Look at me. Here, ready? 1, 2. Look at me. You're funny.
Let me see.
When people take pictures of charge.
All right.
Why not, you know?
Thank you. Thank you. You want to try hold him?
Yeah, why don't you get a picture of him on his head?
Here.
Thank you, Dorothy.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
His name is Truffles.
Truffles. What a sweet bird.
You gotta go get Kaplan.
Thank you. Yo, I've got my friend Christina. Just kidding. This is Christina. Everybody say hello to Christina. Hello. And there's Sis. She still's got her poor little ankle. It hasn't really healed much. And they're out there. Ronnie's pitching. Wow, the lights are so bright in the camera. Hold on, let me zoom in. Ooh, I'm glad I brought my extra battery. Ah! It won't let me zoom in, you stupid fence. So overexposed. Wow, it's too far to the left. Good eye, Ronnie. There we go. Oh, foul. Come on, Ronnie. Right down the center. They are way open, man. Shoot.
Nobody's playing out there. Bravo!
Wrong field.
Get that one.
Oh, come on, Dad.
Awesome. I didn't try to do it on that one. Oh boy, did I.
Change sides. Do your ambidextrous thing.
Gotta be.
Did you see that last time?
Right there. Nice hit. Woo! Alright guys. Ooh, hair on the camera. There we go. Alright guys, game is done. They lost by 7, I think. Anyway, Daddy took the kids home so I can do some mommy time at the grocery store. You know you're a mom when a vacation is by yourself at the grocery store. So I'm gonna get me some food to stock up the fridge and then get myself some food that I've been needing. So anyway, we'll see you guys in a little bit. So how do you guys check a watermelon? Do you check the consistency, press on it? Or do you knock on it? How do you check a watermelon? How do you know what a good watermelon is? A sweet one. I go by color. The darker the skin, because this is white, the darker the skin, the more sweet it is. And so far I've had good luck with it. So most of these have like some white on them. I just got some judgment looks for having a vlogging camera. I think this is a good one. This is a dark one. Look at, see how all these other ones are kind of whitish? Yeah, I think I'm gonna grab this one. Okay, it is officially midnight and I shopped for a good hour and a half, 2 hours. I'm gonna say goodnight for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. And it was just kind of like a random day today, just a lot of stuff that I was talking about. I don't know. So hello to all the new subscribers, as my husband would say. Hello, hello, hello. Well, he doesn't much better. I don't do a good impression. That was terrible. And if you haven't yet, press that little red subscribe button down below. We'd love for you guys to follow along in our journey and be part of the Minion Clan on YouTube. And oh my gosh! We made it over 2,000 subscribers! Woo! not really a lot of people. Well, somebody's driving up right in front of me. They're probably going, what is this lady doing to the camera? That's funny. He's probably staring right at me right now. Anyway. Crazy lady in the car screaming, but we made it over to 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. I love my minion family. You guys are amazing, and I am just so super ecstatic that I doubled my goal in a year. My goal was to get to, oh, that's my neighbor. Well, he doesn't care about me. My goal was to get to 1,000 subscribers in a year, and it hasn't even been a year yet. Next month will be a year, and we made it to 2,000 subscribers in a year. This is amazing. My next goal is to get to 5,000 subscribers. One day I'm gonna do this full time. This is gonna be my full-time thing, and that is my goal, and I know I could do it. And just because you guys are amazing, my minion family is just absolutely amazing. I do this not only for the memories because of Elijah and Cayden, but I do this because I love you guys, and you know, I want to put hope out there and be a person full of hope. So I hope my battery's not dying. Okay, we're good. Anyway, I just realized when I looked that I was almost at 5 minutes talking. So thank you so much. We will have a 2,000 subscriber hangout here real soon. I'll set one up and I'll let you guys know beforehand so you guys can set the date when we're gonna do it. 2,000 subscriber Google Hangout. Make sure you catch me on Periscope, Twitter, Snapchat, all this. I'm on all the social media, all of it. So anyway, we'll catch you guys tomorrow. I love you guys so much. You guys are awesome. See you tomorrow. Ciao.
We are the MAINVILLES, loving unconditional. We love all our MAINVILLE minions, and it's inspirational to vlog about our life. Our youngest battles, cancer, and our oldest is autistic. Daily vlog, subscribe and listen, yeah. Mom's vlog 80. We are the main. Subscribe and listen. We are the MAINVILLES. Let's go.